Drive is one of the most widely used cloud storage tools today, but keeping your files safe is more important than ever. Whether you use Drive for school, work, or personal storage, understanding how to secure your data can protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access. In this video, we'll go through practical Google Drive security tips that every user should know in 2025. The first step is enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code each time you sign in. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your files without that code. Next, regularly review your sharing settings. It's easy to forget which files you've shared with colleagues, classmates, or friends. Check your Shared with Others section and remove access for people who no longer need it. Using strong, unique passwords is another essential tip. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts and consider using a password manager to help you keep track. You should also be cautious when clicking links inside shared documents. Phishing attempts can appear as Google Drive notifications, so always double-check the sender before opening links or granting permissions. Another helpful tip is to manage your connected apps. Over time, you may have granted access to third-party apps that you no longer use. Go to your Google account settings and remove any apps you don't recognize or need. This limits the chances of your data being misused through external integrations. Encrypting sensitive files before uploading them is also a good practice. While Google encrypts your data in transit and at rest, adding your own layer of encryption ensures extra protection, especially for confidential documents. Finally, keep your devices secure. Make sure your laptop and phone have screen locks, updated software, and antivirus protection, so no one can access your drive through your device. By following these Google Drive security tips, you can keep your files safe, protect your privacy, and stay confident while storing important documents in the cloud. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive guides, tech tips, and digital safety advice in 2025.